Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel.
Hey guys, welcome to our diary.
So आज के ये व्लॉग में आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू हैदराबाद का डाउनटाउन विच यू कैन कॉल इट एज, जहाँ पे सारी टेक जाइंट्स की ऑफिसेज हैं. सो हम इस वीडियो में ट्राई करेंगे कवर करना हाईटेक सिटी विच इज़ अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ 3-4 एरियाज, जिसे एक्चुअली हैदराबाद में साइबराबाद भी कह रहे हैं. सो दैट इज़ साइबराबाद रीजन. ऑफिस आवर्स आई मीन ऑफ टाइमिंग में मैं इसीलिए शूट करने जा रही हूँ ताकि हमें ट्रैफिक ना मिले. बट अगेन यू नेवर नो राइट, हैदराबाद में भी अभी बहुत ट्रैफिक है. लेट्स गो टू हैदराबाद. नो एक्चुअली साइबराबाद. So this is Botanical Garden Road in Kondapur, and at the end of this road, left side you will see Sarath City Mall, which is really a big mall in Kondapur area. Weekends पे वहाँ पे बहुत crowd रहता है. That's the mall I was talking about. दिस इज़ मियाँपुर गच्चीबोली रोड. ये रोड पे बहुत सारे ज्वेलर शॉप्स हैं, एंड जो हैदराबाद का एक फेमस है दैट इज़ दे कॉल इट मंडी. मंडी इज़ अ प्लेस स्पेशली फॉर नॉन वेजिटेरियंस वेयर दे ईट नॉन वेज आइटम इन अ बिग प्लेट आई गेस. दिस इज़ ला मेरिडियन. राइट साइड सारे कैफ़ेज़ हैं एंड सम लग्जरी शॉपिंग स्टोर्स आर देयर. यहाँ आपको स्टारबक्स भी दिख जाएगा, आलमंड हाउस भी दिख जाएगा. आलमंड हाउस हैदराबाद की ब्रांड है. जैसे कराची बेकरी है, नीलोफर बेकरी है, वैसे आलमंड हाउस है. एंड यस, ये मंडी की जो मैं बात कर रही थी, हम अंदर तो गए नहीं बट या इट्स क्वाइट फेमस. एंड नाउ वी आर गोइंग टूवर्ड्स माइंडस्पेस. Mindspace is large developed IT and business park which is located in high-tech city. दिस इज़ द प्लेस जो वीक डे में और पीक आवर्स में इतने लाइक ट्रैफिक इधर जाम रहता है, इतना क्राउडेड रहता है दैट योर कार कैन नॉट मूव एज फास्ट एज राइट नाउ व्हाट वी आर ड्राइविंग. सो या, एंड दैट्स द IKEA. So IKEA is just opposite to Mindspace. ये जो हाईटेक सिटी का एरिया है ना, ये IKEA से जो स्टार्ट होता है, दिस इज़ माई फेवरेट पार्ट इन हैदराबाद बिकॉज यहाँ के टॉल स्ट्रक्चर्स एंड स्काई स्क्रेपर्स देख के मुझे बिल्कुल मुंबई की याद दिलाता है. एंड नाइट लाइट इफ़ यू सी, इट्स सो नाइस, ग्लोइंग, काम. सो सिटी रात को स्पेशली हाईटेक एरिया बहुत ब्यूटीफुल लगता है. This is Mindspace Junction flyover. इस फ्लाईओवर के बाद हम पहुंचेंगे इन ऑर्बिट मॉल लेफ्ट साइड. So you see, yes, both the sides, tall buildings with this night lights. It's beautiful. This is Satwa Knowledge City, which is one of the largest business park in RT corridor in Hi-Tech City, Hyderabad. This place has perfect social infrastructure where residential places are there, major transport hubs are there, and it is only 40 to 45 minutes drive away from Rajiv Gandhi International Airport of Hyderabad. ITC Kohinoor was the first luxury business hotel in the heart of Hi-Tech City. On the left we see Inorbit Mall, which is in Madhapur. And now we are heading towards Cable Bridge of Hyderabad, which is like Bandra Worli Sea Link of Mumbai, but it is not over sea. It is over Durgam Cheruvu Lake. It connects Madhapur Hi-Tech City to Jubilee Hills, which is one of the posh area of Hyderabad. This bridge offers sidewalks for pedestrians and cyclists. It's a great experience for leisure or exercise, especially at the night time with a stunning view of bustling city. It was inaugurated in September 2020. It is an engineering marvel because it cuts down travel time between Jubilee Hills and Madhapur from 30 minutes to just 10 minutes. This night view of the city from the bridge makes a breathtaking view while driving at night across the bridge. We are just heading back to Madhapur from this cable bridge only, so that we can have view from the other side of the bridge. This beautiful illuminated skyline, no doubt it's a popular spot for photographers, tourists and influencers. One fun fact about this cable bridge, there are 52 cables and they were imported from Germany. As you can see, the bridge shines in vibrant colors, often themed for national events like Independence Day or festivals, and generally it is illuminated in tricolor. If you like viewing night cityscapes, then definitely this bridge offers some of the best frames of Hyderabad. And here we reached Hi-Tech City, Madhapur, back to the city. As the name suggests, Hi-Tech City is IT hub of Hyderabad. I'm sure if you are someone from Hyderabad and you are watching this video and you are missing your city, definitely you'll see a lot of changes in your city because city is constantly developing and you might feel nostalgic. So this video is for you all who are not there in the city and you are missing your home place, so you can view your Hyderabad through this video. We are heading towards Cafe Nilofer, Hi-Tech City. You see that prominent residency building, that is My Home Bhuja, which is one of the very good amenities loaded residential area. You can see Nilofer Cafe, which is the largest in Hyderabad. It is famous for its bun maska and Irani chai. This tea hub is a center of innovation and connecting startups. So many investors, academia and government people, they meet here for the investment purpose. And that is My Home Bhuja. And this is the other side of Knowledge City, where there are many restaurants and pubs. So if you want a first-hand experience of high-tech city, I would say it is well-developed, vibrant IT hub in Hyderabad with the excellent infrastructure and connectivity. If you're coming with the family, this place is perfect for the family, as it has all the amenities like metros, hospitals, schools, malls, good residence, and commute is also easy. This area definitely offers high quality of life in Hyderabad, where the roads are really well maintained and good public transport is also there. This area is in a good proximity of ORR, which is Outer Ring Road. But due to presence of many MNCs, the biggest concern is the traffic congestion during peak hours, which is significantly high in some areas. And there we go back, the IKEA from where we started. So this was the first IKEA in India. Yes, it was in Hyderabad. So thanks for watching this video. If you like such content, then kindly subscribe the channel, share this video with your loved ones or whoever is missing Hyderabad and not staying in Hyderabad, not living over here. So by looking at the nightlife or night roads, night views of the city, high-tech city especially, then they can feel better. And I hope I'll bring such content for you. Thank you so much. Kindly share, like and subscribe the channel. See you in the next vlog. Bye.